Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am packing an order. So this is my round candle, cocoa, that I'm gonna be packing. I'll show you how I do it. So this one is ready and it will go in this box that has my label Geeklymix on top, and it fits right in. And then I place this thank you sticker to seal it. Here it is. This one's ready. I'll be wrapping another one to show you how I do it. So here we have our silver candle from my Elements collection, and this one is a square tin and it has glitter in it, and I sprinkled some on top as well. And the warning label. And now I'll show you how I wrap it. So this is black tissue paper from Amazon, and I just wrap it. It's okay if it gets crinkled. So you just wrap it, and I cut the excess. Twist it a little bit. Let's just cut the top. And I'll just place a little piece of tape on it so it holds it down. Like so. And now I'll put some seal wax on it, which is super hot because it's been cooking for a little bit. So I'll just blow on it so it's not too hot. Here we go. Let me just quickly put the stamp on it. It's super hot, so I'll let it cool down for a little bit, and we can prepare our box. So I have my 3x3 U-line box. So I'll fold the top first so it can lay flat while we do the bottom. And then I just fold the bottom. Make sure all the tabs are in so it doesn't open. And then I just push it from the inside so it's not crooked. And now I will take off the stamp. Which is still a little hot. Let's just take it off, push it down, and it looks good. Now I can just close it, and I have my thank you stickers over here. I'll just place one more. And as you guys know, now my website is launched. It's going to be linked in the description box down below. And it's on my Instagram, on my Facebook page, on my TikTok, everywhere you can find it. So I'll be placing my boxes in this mailer. My custom mailers are not here yet, so I'm just using the USPS ones for now. And for bigger orders, I'll be placing them in a box, not in a mailer. So because these are 2 candles in one order, they get a free matches jar, which will also be on my website. You can buy it separately. And I'll just wrap it up real quick and place it in. And my Epsom salt jar in this black baggie. I showed these before, and these are scented and they have a cork lid, so they stay intact, and they just go out with every order for free. And these are my business cards. They have all my socials, and I'll be placing one of these in there. And I just push all the products to the side, and I have these air tubes that I will be inserting so it can balance the weight distribution, so it doesn't so when the USPS guy throws around my stuff, it doesn't get crushed. None of the boxes get damaged because everything will be balanced. And now we just seal it. My glove keeps getting stuck. Okay, this one is ready. I'm good to go. These are very safe and you can easily track them. So you guys make sure to like and subscribe my channel, and let me know what else you'd like to see, and make sure to check out my online store. Thank you.